Hey everybody, this is Joe Pace, and this is my 1-minute definition of what yin yoga is. So if the physical part of yoga, the really intense physical part of yoga, is the yang, yin is our more restorative, considered part of yoga. So it's really the counterpart of anything physically intense we're doing with our body. And if you're an athlete, you're using your body pretty intensely no matter what you're doing, most likely. And so yin yoga is an amazing way to not only address the muscular tissue, but also the denser connective tissues of our body, especially the fascia. And so what fascia is, really quickly, is a tissue that wraps and encapsulates every one of our muscles. And when that becomes tight, it can bring a lot of tightness, stress, pain into the body, and also sometimes injury. And so when we spend at least 3 or so minutes in a pose, at about 70 to 80-ish% of the depth we can come into the pose, we give ourselves a chance to not only stretch our connective tissue, the fascia, also our muscles, but also get a meditative practice where we don't have to move, we don't have to worry so much. We set up the pose, we hold it, we let our body do the work. Okay, so that's what yin yoga is. There's, of course, a lot more to it, but it's a brief definition just so you understand what it is and why it might be important for you, especially if you're an athlete. Thank you for your time.